Are you tired of struggling with high blood pressure, joint pain, or sluggish digestion? Hibiscus tea has been scientifically proven to help with all of these and more. If you're looking for a simple, natural way to improve your health and start your day feeling great, hibiscus tea might be the perfect addition to your morning routine. This vibrant drink not only satisfies the senses, but also offers a full list of health benefits, perfect for enhancing your lifestyle as you gracefully age. Let's take a closer look at why incorporating hibiscus tea into your morning routine can be a game changer. First off, let's talk about what hibiscus tea is. Derived from the dried petals of the hibiscus flower, this tea is a visual and flavorful treat. Boasting a captivating ruby red color, hibiscus tea can be a joyful addition to your everyday morning routine. One of the most compelling reasons to include hibiscus tea in your morning regimen is its wealth of health benefits. This wonderful infusion is packed with antioxidants. These are powerful compounds that help fight oxidative stress, a key factor that contributes to aging. By enjoying hibiscus tea, you are giving your body a tool to help maintain youthfulness and vitality. Did you know that hibiscus tea can support your cardiovascular health? Research has shown that hibiscus tea contains natural compounds that can aid in managing blood pressure levels. For seniors who are particularly mindful of their heart health, this is an excellent choice. It's about enjoying a heart-healthy lifestyle that contributes to your overall well-being. One of the delightful aspects of hibiscus tea is that it is naturally caffeine-free. Unlike other morning beverages that may leave you feeling jittery, hibiscus tea offers you a soothing start to your day. It's the perfect way to awaken your senses gently and effectively. This is particularly favorable for those who might be sensitive to caffeine or wish to avoid sleep disturbances. Maintaining a balanced sleep routine is crucial as we age. Hibiscus tea's lack of caffeine means it won't interfere with your sleep patterns, making it a smart choice for a morning beverage. Proper sleep is foundational to a healthy lifestyle, and your morning cup of hibiscus tea can assist in keeping that balance. Now, let's touch on how hibiscus tea can aid in digestive health. It acts as a natural diuretic, which can help manage water retention and reduce bloating, a concern many older adults encounter. By including hibiscus tea as part of your morning, you promote a healthier digestive system and start your day on the right note. Additionally, the diuretic properties of hibiscus tea may support weight management efforts. It helps by promoting regular digestion and reducing bloating, adding another layer of benefit for those mindful of their weight. Hibiscus tea is known for its delightful tart flavor. It's a unique taste that can be enjoyed on its own or sweetened with a touch of honey. For those who enjoy experimenting with flavors, consider mixing hibiscus tea with other herbal blends like chamomile or mint. Imagine starting your day with a beautiful steaming cup of hibiscus tea. Making this a part of your daily ritual offers more than just health advantages. It gives you a moment of peace and reflection each morning. It's about more than just the tea. It's a lifestyle choice that welcomes calm and wellness into your life. The vibrant hue of hibiscus tea can also add a visual appeal that enhances your drinking experience. Consider serving it in a clear mug to fully enjoy its rich color, creating a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. You might also add a slice of lemon or a sprig of mint as a garnish to further elevate your tea time. Incorporating hibiscus tea into your routine nurtures both the body and spirit. It's a simple yet effective lifestyle change that can have a profound impact on your well-being. This nurturing ritual connects the elements of taste, aroma, and visual beauty, promoting a holistic approach to health. In summary, starting your day with hibiscus tea brings numerous benefits. Rich with antioxidants, supports heart health, caffeine-free, aids digestion, and boasts a refreshing flavor. It encourages a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle that seniors can cherish daily. I invite you to try hibiscus tea and see how it can enhance your mornings. Perhaps start with a cup a day and share your experience with us. We'd love to hear how this simple addition transforms your routine and supports your wellness journey. This information is brought to you with insights from nutrition and health experts. For those interested in learning more, we encourage you to seek additional guidance from health professionals or explore reliable health resources. To continue your journey to wellness, check out our related videos on healthy living tips and subscribe for more content designed to support a vibrant lifestyle at any age. As we wrap up, we anticipate you might have questions about hibiscus tea. Feel free to leave them in the comments below, and we'll do our best to address each of them. While hibiscus tea is generally safe, it's always advisable to enjoy it in moderation. If you're on specific medications or have underlying health conditions, consult with a healthcare provider to ensure it's the right choice for you. Hibiscus tea stands out from other morning beverages for its health benefits and caffeine-free nature. Compared to coffee or black tea, it's a soothing alternative that caters to a gentle wake-up call. Hibiscus tea has roots in various cultures around the world. From the tangy brews of Africa to the cooling beverages in the Caribbean, it's appreciated globally for its unique taste and health rewards. For the freshest taste and maximum benefits, opt for high-quality hibiscus tea. Look for organic brands or locally sourced options to ensure you're picking the best for your health. Proper storage of your hibiscus tea will maintain its flavor and effectiveness. Keep it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to preserve its fragrant and healthful qualities. We encourage you to engage with our community. Share your hibiscus tea recipes or creative mixes in the comments, and let's learn from each other's experiences. As with anything, it's important to consider any personal allergies or side effects. While adverse reactions to hibiscus are rare, being informed is always best. Consider purchasing hibiscus tea from sustainable sources. Supporting environmentally friendly brands contributes positively to the planet while you savor your morning brew. Hibiscus tea is an affordable way to enhance your morning routine, often costing less than your average cup of coffee while delivering superior health benefits. Your morning hibiscus tea can also accompany your mindfulness or meditation practices. Take this time to relax, enjoy, and prepare your mind for the day ahead. Accompany your tea time with calming music or visuals, setting the tone for a peaceful morning routine. A gentle background can turn your tea ritual into a full sensory experience. Incorporating hibiscus tea into your life is a small change with big benefits. It's about embracing a simple, heartfelt approach to wellness and making each morning a special celebration of health and happiness. Thank you for joining us, and here's to a vibrant, flourishing lifestyle through the wonderful ritual of hibiscus tea.